Hello my beautiful people, today I'm showing you how to make a simple DIY hair growth oil. If you're experiencing shedding or hair thinning, this video is for you. So keep on watching and let's get right into it. For the ingredients, you'll need moringa powder. You can also use leaves. We have pounded ginger. This is fresh ginger. And then we also have extra virgin olive oil. This one is very important, guys. You can also use another oil of choice, but I prefer olive oil. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. And you don't need that much olive oil. You only need between 100 and 150 milliliters of oil. And as you can see, after adding all your ingredients, you can stir it up and try to really get in there and mix it all. Try to get the sides, because we know that the moringa powder always likes to stick to the side of your container. Once your consistency looks like this, you can go ahead and take a heat-resistant pot and add your oil in it. Make sure that your pot is clean. I'm using this jar because it's easier for me. And I also like to make sure that everything is in there. So you're gonna stir it up again. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this. So in between, you have to make sure that you have some water in a pot stirring up. Once your water is hot, you can place your container of use in this pot and then do it as a au bain-marie. I don't know how to say that in English, but I think you understand. You're gonna stir this up. Make sure you don't leave this pot. You have to stay here for 10 to 20 minutes. And then guys, I had a little accident because I didn't use the right temperature. It was really hot and this happened. So make sure your heat is a little bit lower, not overcooking. Now you're going to need a clean wig cap to separate the oil from the pulp. Since the ginger and the moringa powder are still in the mixture, we need to strain them out so that you're left with only the infused oil. Now you're just gonna make sure that all your oil is out of the wig cap and try not to push too hard, because otherwise the pulp is gonna come out and we don't want that. I had that problem, so yeah. But at least we have our oil. I made a new batch, so that's good. You're gonna clean your workspace and then going to take a clean bottle where you can transfer your oil in. To be completely honest with you guys, I haven't been taking care of my hair. I've been wearing wigs for almost a year, and underneath that, I haven't been taking care at all of my hair. I even cut my hair a few months ago, I think beginning October, and it has been growing, but like the sides are just broken. My hair now is moisturized, it's clean, so we don't need to prep it. I'm just gonna redo my twist a little bit and then I'm gonna apply the oil that I just made. And I'm trying now to be consistent with my hair care routine, and also just in general, just taking care of my soul, taking care of myself. Because when I don't feel good, I do not take care of myself, and clearly it shows. So yeah, we need to do better. I hope that you can find strength in this and motivation to go and take care of your hair, because your hair needs the love. Apply this hair oil every single day for 2 weeks and I guarantee you'll see results. As you can see here in the picture that I'll insert, my hairline isn't really visible as you can see, and then here on the video my hairline is visibly a little bit fuller, and I've been only using this hair oil for 1 week. So I'm telling you, consistency is the key. Massage your scalp very well, and if you want you can use a machine to do that. It's much easier and this one doesn't cost a lot. I'm gonna put everything down below in the description bar so that you can go and get it. And believe me, this is a game changer. Before you sleep, put your hair in a bonnet or in a scarf and you're good to go.